In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a blog to your Wix site and publish your first post. We'll walk through the process inside the Wix editor. Make a post, share it, and then push everything live so visitors can see it. Start by opening your site in the Wix dashboard and selecting the site you want to work on. Click Edit Site and give the editor a moment to load. You'll see your main canvas in the center, side panels on the left, and a top toolbar. This is where you'll control your layout and content. If your editor prompts to save or autosave, let it finish before moving on. Next, add the Wix Blog app. On the left side of the editor, click the Apps icon to open the Apps and Content panel. Search for or select Blog, then click Add to Site. Wix will instantly insert a blog feed onto a page so visitors can browse posts. It also creates hidden post and category pages behind the scenes, which the app uses to display each article and organize topics. You can drag the blog feed to where it fits best in your design and style it later to match your brand. Now, write your first post. In the same blog panel, click Write Post to open the editor. Add a clear descriptive title so readers know exactly what to expect. In the body area, type your main content. Keep paragraphs short, use subheadings to break up sections, and include images where they add value. Use the formatting toolbar for links, quotes, and media to make your post more engaging. Add alt text to images for accessibility and better understanding. When you're done, click back to return to the post list. You'll see your new post there. Click Publish to make it live in the blog manager or leave it as a draft if you want to polish it later. You can always come back to edit. After publishing, promote your post from the post list. Click Share. You can copy the link to paste anywhere, share directly to social media, or send it by email. Add a short, compelling caption to encourage clicks and briefly explain the value of your article. Finally, publish your site and preview the results. Back in the editor, click Publish to push all design changes and your new blog content to the live site. Then click View Site to open the live version. Scroll through the blog feed, open your post, and check the layout, images, and links. Switch between